Imagine you have a notebook. Now imagine this notebook is shared with thousands of people around the world. Everyone can see that notebook and write anything inside it. But there is a twist. Once something is written on that notebook can never be erased, never be edited. So that is basically what the blockchain is. Today I'm gonna explain blockchain is the simplest possible way. With the 20 years old can even understand what is the blockchain, no complicated words, no technical confusion, just simple logic. So let's start. Blockchain is a digital notebook. That's it. It's a special kind of digital records book that store information. But instead of being stored in a just one computer, it is shared across thousands of computers all over the world. And every time someone adds new information, it gets recorded permanently. No one can secretly delete it, no one can quickly change it, and no one can cheat without noticing anything. That's what makes blockchain powerful. It's not magic, it's just a smart way of keeping records. Let's break into the two or four simple steps. The step number one, someone makes a transaction. For example, you send a Bitcoin to your friend. The transaction is like writing a line in the notebook. Rahul sent one Bitcoin to Aman. So step 2, computer verified. Before the transaction is added, thousands of computers around the world check. Does Rahul actually have a one Bitcoin? Is this transaction valid? Is he trying to cheat? These computers are called nodes. They agree together if the transaction is real. The transaction going into the blocks once verified, the transaction is grouped together with other transaction. This group is called a block. Think of it like a page in the notebook. So the step 4, the block is added to the chain. Each new block connected to the previous block. That's why it's called blockchain. Block plus chain. Each block is linked to the one before it. If someone try to change one block, the whole chain would be break. And everyone know that block is fake or they are trying to something change. So that's how they stay secure. Okay. So why the blockchain secure? Here's the big reason. Thousands of computers store the same copy. Imagine trying to cheat by changing one notebook, you cannot. Because there are thousands of identical notebooks around the world. To cheat successfully, you have to change the all of them at the same time, which is practically impossible. That's why blockchain is considered very secure. It's don't trust one person. It's trust the whole network. This system is called a decentralized network. No boss, no single control, and no central authorities. Just math and agreement. So I'm giving a real example of the Bitcoin just like that. So now you have to connect in the real life. Bitcoin uses blockchain. Normally when you send money, a bank check and approve it. But with Bitcoin, there is no bank. The blockchain network does the verification. It records the transaction permanently. And so instead of trusting a bank, you can trust on the blockchain. And that's the innovation. And the simple analogy we can explain that here's the easiest way you have to remember that the imagine a Google Doc, and everyone can see that Google Doc, but everyone also watch what is happening on that Google Doc. Everyone can write the information on that Google Doc, but never can be edited the record, and it's not even be erased from that Google Docs. So that's the blockchain, a transparent, secure, permanent digital records. So this is the blockchain what we have explained, and I hope you get the whole information and how it's working. So in the simple words, blockchain is a shared digital notebook that's record information permanently without needing a middleman. And that the simple idea is changing finance, gaming, contracts, and even the internet itself. If you understand blockchain today, you are already ahead of millions of people. In the next video, we will go deeper, and next video we will understand what is the Bitcoin and how the blockchain solve that problem, a real problem in the internet, in the banking system, in the finance system. So we go to the next video. Before that, like that video and subscribe so we can never miss the next update on that blockchain course. We are going to post one and one video for one and every topic that is related to blockchain, that is related to crypto. So that's all from my side. We will meet in the next video. Thanks and goodbye.